Hello and hi everybody to today's video, which is going to be about 1Broker, which I just discovered recently. And what makes this interesting is that for 1 month now they have released a brand new feature, which is that you can it's kind of like a social aspect to it, and you can now follow the trades of successful or popular traders, as you can see it now, and which is basically a function that copies exactly the trades and all the positions, the entries and the exits of traders that are popular. And there's also another aspect to it, that you can comment on and discuss trades, like you see here, and you can, as I said, copy the trades or copy all the trades of successful traders and popular traders, but you can always decide to exit a trade earlier if you think otherwise than the one who's doing the trades. So in a way you have control, and on this whole platform you can also trade manually. And what you can trade is forex, stocks, indices, commodities and crypto. I myself, I'm more the crypto guy. I do manual trading too, but I'm absolutely no expert. But you know, I've also tried myself in crypto trading, and I've had quite some success. But again, this video is going to show you how you can simply set your accounts to copy all the trades of the most successful traders right here, which will then give you the exact positions and also the exact trades. And also so I just, as you see, I just click through all the markets and the trades you can do manually. And now we are going to go in depth at the social part. So for example, you see the most popular traders here, and also how many people are copying this trader. So if I click on this one here, the project Invictus, who has the most copiers right now, you can see all of his statistics. But first of all, as you can see here, the platform itself has been online for quite some time now. I think 2 years or maybe more. But this feature here, right here, has been added just a month ago, I think. And that's what made it interesting for me. So this guy here is trading at the moment 50% stocks, 50% crypto. You can see his average holding time, his trades, the last 12 months, the last 7 days, and you can also go in depth on his on the individual trades themselves. So you see, obviously there are some losses here, but there are also some profits here. So this guy is really active. What you need to do is you need to set your own profile to public, so that everyone sees what you're trading, what your trades are. And what this does, if I go into my settings, what this does would then be, so settings right here, set profile to private and hide all the information. So if you set it to non-private, then people can also follow your trades, and this would bring you a certain a smaller percentage of all the positions that people that are copying you open in the system. So if you're a popular or a trader who is very successful, of course people maybe start to copy you. Okay, so again, I'm going back now to the we've looked at the trades, and as you can see here, he registered in September 2016, and this month alone he had a performance of 300%, which is crazy awesome. The rewards earned from sharing his trades. So if you're a successful trader, you can earn quite an amazing amount of Bitcoin in this case, and a copy volume per trade. And what's also great is that you you pay in with crypto, with Bitcoin, and you withdraw with Bitcoin, which, as I am very interested in crypto, is obviously fantastic for me. I think this is great because it's the easiest and the quickest way. No fiat money needed. Okay, well, and in the description here you can see this guy says, okay, if you want to copy my setup, set it to risk 15%. Now you should use a maximum 1/20th of your own account per trade. You set it to copy minimum 50 trades a day, so the maximum I think it is, and you shouldn't spend all your gains for drugs at once. So keep him for later, save him somewhere, and don't spend everything all at once. Okay, quite funny. So yeah, and as I said, this is a new project for me, and I'm trying this out. So right now you can see my balance is pretty much one Bitcoin right now, and I have decided to copy Project Invictus, and I'm gonna show you how this is done. So I've got 1 Bitcoin, which means that he recommends 1/20th of a Bitcoin for me on a maximum trade. Okay, and looking at this, I will follow the recommendation of Project Invictus, and I'm gonna start really small. So I am going to follow his trades per day, like he said, with 50 trades per day max. And the amount, I set the amount to minimum right now to try this out. So every trade will be followed with 0.02 of a Bitcoin, which is right now $20 and some change. And now I am simply going to copy trader. So this was it. I am now copying the trades of Project Invictus. And what's also fantastic is that there is a app now released. It has been released 3 days ago on Android, at least, because I'm on Android, so I don't know about any iOS app, but yeah, check the App Store for that one. And what I can also do is, if I go to social, I can also choose to, let's say, follow this trader too. Okay, so because he has got incredible 971% increase and profit this month, which is crazy. So you can see this guy is registered for almost 1.5 years already, so 2015. This month alone is 900%. So I could say now, okay, let's copy this trader too. So I could set it at the minimum too, so maximum trades per day 50, and copy him too, but I'm not sure if I will do this right now. So of course I could now go and say, okay, let's copy this guy here too, Snortex. Why not? Because he's got 900% profit. But the problem is that I could run into some financial problems because the balance may be coming to a limit pretty soon, insufficient funds or whatever, because of course in trading I think that the most important part is to really see the performance over a longer period of time. So of course he has a bigger and better performance right now, but for now this is my personal decision, I decide to stay with one guy I copy, because yeah, again you have to look at the performance per month. So right now I decided to go with 1Bitcoin with this guy, and only over the course of a month or maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks I am able to see these kind of returns for myself. And then as soon as I'm at a balance of, I don't know, maybe 2 Bitcoin or 3 Bitcoin, then I would go and say, okay, I'm now copying this guy and maybe the top 3 guys, because then this would make sense. Because think of it this way, if I start to split up my trades and only do 5 trades or 3 trades per trader that I follow and that I copy, then these 3 trades of these 3 guys per day could all be losses, right? So there is no real reason to follow 3 people and to copy 3 people or 5 people, and all they do is the first 3 trades they have each day are a loss, and then this would leave me with a total loss and no profit at all. So I think it's much better to copy one guy, so for the start, at the beginning, and stay with him for some time, because only, you know, over the course of a month, the whole performance of the month over a longer period of time is important. And also, again, if you look at his trades, you can see there are losses, but there are also gains, right? And it is the addition of all his trades that make the profit. So you have to think long term over, you know, over a longer period of time. So that's my decision for now. And one other thing I just found out and I need to point out right now is and why it's important, at least I believe it is important, to follow only one guy, is because look at the, for example, at March the 18th, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30 trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I don't know, I stopped counting. But all of this together, he's got, I think it's close to 50 trades right now, and all of this together makes the profit for this day, you know. And this is why I say follow one trader for now, with all of his trades, also with the recommendation he's setting, because he can have a day where he's just blasting out new trades every day. So these are the ones that you don't want to miss. And if you only copy the first 3 trades and they are all losses, then you're left with losses. Okay, so I go with the minimum per trade, and I also go with only one trader. And again, if my balance is up at some point, maybe 2 or 3 Bitcoin, I am going to add other people and follow and copy other traders from then on. Yeah, and for now I'd say I conclude this video, because I think that's enough for now. So either way, if I do a follow-up, which is very likely, I'm going to link it up in the description, and also up here somewhere I'm gonna pop in the info and the link to the follow-up video. So I'm gonna keep you posted in a week, 10 days, maybe 2 weeks time. Yeah, and if you wanna try this out yourself, there is no obligation whatsoever to deposit money or whatever, so it's just for you to try it out. You can also tell other people about it, so you can use the link, which is also in the description below, to sign up for this and check it out for yourself. So you can start with as low as 0.1 of a Bitcoin or whatever and just try it out. Yeah, and if you have gotten anything out of this video, as always, please like and subscribe and also share it. Yeah, see you in the next one. Thanks for your attention, and stay safe, and bye bye for now.